Okay, go
A
ahead.
buddy called me and told me his 2004 Sequoia was making a strange noise. The sound you hear in this video is the sound of a bad serpentine belt which needed to be replaced and was completely slipping off of the pulleys. The next image you will see is the belt routing diagram, which is above the passenger side headlight underneath the hood, which shows you where to hold back the tension and how to route the belts.
Oh. 60 bill. Ow!
All right, start it up. First time. Woo! She sounds good. Purr like a kitten.